Hey dudes, check out my 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. The new tow pig / replacement for the dually. Check out this color. Gorgeous brownstone metallic. Everyone has white or black. I got poop brown. Of course, it is a Duramax Allison transmissions. Rolling on some stock 18s. Grandpa truck. Tow mirrors, because it's a 3500. Keep in mind, this is the newest truck I've ever owned. So all the features and stuff, you guys have probably already seen them, but to me, like, this is the nicest thing ever. But newer trucks, all the older trucks obviously have non-soft close tailgates. So we got soft close, somewhat. Gooseneck in the bed, tonneau cover. So we'll be able to tow the first gen around to all the shows. Got this premium dent in the bumper, I'm assuming from a trailer. I don't really know. Got some just little dings in the tailgate, and then somehow they dented outside from in here, but the fender flares in there. We got your bone stock LML Duramax Silverado HD. Bone stock grandpa truck. Nothing's been done to it. Some stuff needs to fall off, but it's a solid truck for what it is. It'll tow first gen just fine. You've got some bubbling in my chrome, but other than that, everything on the truck is solid. Interior is the good cocoa dune, tan and brown leather. Doesn't have a sunroof, but you know, can win some. Can't win them all. We just got it tinted. What, last week? 5 all around, 35 on the shield. Can't see in. Get another view of this gorgeous brown paint. We got heated and cooled seats, so you don't get swalls, swesticles, whatever. Slass. Yeah. Swick. Swoop. Whoa, yep, okay. You got all of the plugs. Exhaust brake, downhill assist control, jellyfish launcher, even moves foot pedals. Check out my feet pedals move. How about this out? Let's see. Let's fire this bad girl up. I mean, you even have a reverse camera. How bougie is that? I ain't never had a reverse camera, like, ever. The newest truck I've owned is a 2012, so even more connections in there. Yeah. I love it. I love the brown. I love the tan and brown interior. Dual climate control, so your lover can be nice and warm, because they seem to like everything else hot while you like it cold. But she is minty. Plans will probably just level it 3500, so it sits pretty high in the rear with how big the leafs are. So we'll probably get Kryptonite stage 3 leveling kit, paint match, obviously everything, because this color is just, again, this color is just absolutely amazing. Thinking we'll probably do some 24x12s. I think that'll be good enough stance, but still be able to turn. So basically just a level kit, paint to match everything, wheels, tires, and then we'll just use it to tow the first gen. So obviously some exhaust stuff needs to fall off, because can't even hear the truck running. This has got to go. I don't know who designed this or what's, but you already know that's got to go. We'll probably just get some aftermarket heads and tails at the same time, so we can get them paint matched. Stock ones aren't bad, but probably some Alpha Rexes or something like that. and I love it. Hello, is this thing even on? Can't even tell. So some stuff needs to obviously go off of that. Even has sliding rear window. I mean, that, AC seats, reverse cam. How much more bougie could you be? Look at that. Absolute powerhouse. Hang on to your britches, bitch. We got my AC seat on so I don't get them swalls. You boys understand. Powerhouse. Wow. I can't get my head off of the chair because it's so powerful. Just kidding. She is a certified ripper and I love it. Figured I'd give you guys a first gen update. We are waiting on the turbo for the first gen. Really, that's it. He said it got shipped out Friday, so hopefully it'll be here this week, and the next weekend you guys will have a first gen video. I have mostly everything. We have a fleece performance elbow for it, so I've had everything here, just waiting for the charger. That's the first gen update for you guys. Hopefully you guys like the new truck, and next weekend should have this should be fired up next weekend. That is the goal. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.